Hello, Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. So today I have two products for you. Both are new to me. One of them I believe is new to the market, fairly new. And the other one is an old standby that I've actually never used. So that's the new to me one. So here we go. I'll show you what they are. The first one is the Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken Caffeine plus Vitamin C 5-in-1 concealer. There it is right there. This is the one I believe is fairly new to the market, maybe not brand new, definitely new to me. So that's the first one. And the second one is the Lash Paradise. And I know that lots of people enjoy this mascara. I want to try it out to see how long wearing it is and if it's suitable for mature eyes, if it gives us enough volume and length. That's my challenge since I've been aging. The aging process for me has meant that the density of my lashes has deteriorated, and so I'm trying to look to volumize and lengthen. I think everybody wants that though, don't they? So that's what we have on the table for today. Stay tuned, it's all coming up. Thank you for joining me here. I'm so excited to get into these products, and I want to start, I should just mention, I have everything on in my makeup except for the concealer and the mascara, of course, and my eyebrows and my, I think that's it. That's all I'm missing, I think. I haven't done my eyebrows. But I didn't put very much on my eyes for eyeshadow today because I want to be sure I can see this mascara and see how much it's actually volumized and everything. So I just put one light color from my Huda Beauty palette, the Gemstones Obsessions, and I will list all the makeup and everything down in the description box for you. So the first challenge for me always is to get into the product, and I'm gonna start with the mascara. So here we go. Now, I'll read this to you first. It says it has a caring formula with infused flower oils, voluptuous volume and length, 93% satin. Sorry, that's Bonnie. If you don't know, Bonnie is my dog, and she appears at the end of my videos, but she's supposed to be quiet in the meantime. Anyway, onward. So 93% saw instant volume and length. So that all sounds good to me. I chose the color Blackest Black. So here we go. And if you've been following me at all, you know that my biggest challenge sometimes is opening the package. This one was pretty easy. Okay, here we go. There it is out of the package. I'm sure many of you are familiar with this. And if you've tried it and you want to let me know what you thought about it, I know it's a classic that, it's very thick though. There's the brush, the mascara brush. The formula seems to be just from the get-go very thick to me. I'm not sure. I don't like clumpy, so that might be a challenge for me. But anyway, as I was saying, if you've tried this mascara before and you want to give me what your results were like, that would be great. I just need to find my little mirror here. Here we go with the mascara. I don't know if you have a particular mascara technique. Mine is just to try and get down to the roots as much as I can. So there we go, there's one eye. You can definitely see the difference. I find no matter what mascara I use, and I said this when I reviewed the Max Stack mascara, which is part of the 30 days 30 products from 30 different brands series I did in April. There's a playlist for that. If you want to look, you can see that I did the Max Stack mascara. And I mentioned in that video, and I'm going to mention again, that I find that mascaras aren't at their best until they've been used a little bit. I don't know if that's something weird that I just think in my head or if it's true. If there's any scientific fact or basis to it that you know about, let me know. But it just seems that way to me, that they don't really perform at their best until maybe 3 or 4 times in. But we're testing it today. And what I will do as part of this test for both these products is do a check-in with you from the office. All right, there we go. There's both eyes, 1 coat. I will do another coat after we put our concealer on. So next is the concealer. Let me just put my glasses back on. There is a little plastic strip here. Okay, so there we go. There it is. And when you open it up, there's, I guess it's a sponge application. So I must have to squeeze it out a little bit. Okay, pray for me it doesn't go everywhere. Yeah, you can see it coming there now. Can you see? There you go. So that's how it works. That's probably enough. So I'm just going to sponge it under my eyes. It's fairly light. Now I'm going to share with you this technique I've been using. I should say I picked the color, what is this color? 002. It's a bit pinkier. I picked the pinkier shade of fair. So fairest and the pinkest one. There was kind of like a yellow undertone version, but I thought this would suit me better. So what I've been doing with my under eye concealer is kind of using a brush to put it in place. This brush here. And this technique seems to be working. It worked well with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, which is my usual one that I've been using, but it's a lot thicker than this formula, so I'm not sure if this brush step is needed with this one, but that's what I do. And then I go in with my sponge and kind of pat it in. There, can you see? And what I've been finding is that this prevents it from creasing. And helps it stay in place. With a little bit of primer underneath the eyes. So I should explain better. Primer underneath the eyes. Then go in, place the concealer, put it in place with a brush, and then tap it in with the sponge. And I think this tapping in part too helps with my little bags here in the morning too. A little bit of massage, lymphatic drainage first thing in the morning, which is probably a good thing. So there's the under eye concealer on. I think it's pretty good. So far so good, I think. So what we'll do is we'll do a wear test, like I said we're going to do with the mascara. And I will come back on a break from the office and I will let you know how both of them held up. But so far, so good. So I'm going to go away now and finish my look and I will be back. Okay, so here we go. Here's my look for today. And everything that we did today is behind my glasses, so let me take them off. Lash Paradise mascara and the Revlon concealer. And I did just want to show them to you again. This says 24 hours on it, but I mean, you never wear your makeup 24 hours, but that should mean it's long lasting. And I'm interested in the caffeine in particular. I think that should help with the reducing the bags under here. And it has vitamin C, which is of course good for us on our skin. And the Lash Paradise mascara, I will be seeing if it flakes or if it smudges or if it just, generally doesn't perform well. But like I said, I will do a wear test and we will check in at lunchtime. So in the meantime, if you're liking this video and you've poked around and you like the other content on my channel, would you please consider subscribing? My goal is to build a community of women around the world who celebrate beauty both inside and out and have a lot of fun, and we can share with each other, and lots of useful information, both fashion and beauty, and that's my goal. So if you want to join our community, please subscribe. So here I am for my midday check-in at the office, and let me just show you. I did put another coat of the mascara on, the Lash Paradise on, since you saw it before. Tiny bit clumpy, but not too bad. I have to say I am very impressed with this concealer, the Revlon 5-in-1 concealer. I don't see much creasing at all. It's looking really good. I've had it on for, I think, 5 hours now, and I think that's a pretty good test. So I'm very impressed with both these products. So here's Miss Bonnie to help me say goodbye, as she always does. I think she likes the smell of the toothpaste. That's why she's always sniffing at my mouth. But anyway, so say goodbye to the people, Bonnie. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye, people. Okay. Bye-bye now.